Hey guys, so I just kind of wanted to do a quick overview for 9192. Remember I sent out a Wakelet, which is going to be our newsletter. So also just know that we won't be having live Zooms this week, and you have your ramp up dates for your alpha. So depending on your alpha, you're going to show up on that day and kind of go through your schedule and see what happened. Also, make sure you do your drills, the drills 1 through 4 and the enzyme practice. Those are daily grades, so make sure you get that done. I opened it back up till Thursday, so make sure you get that done. This week you have a test. It's open through Wednesday, so make sure you get that done. Today you have a warm-up. You have a prokaryote versus eukaryote Edpuzzle, a prokaryote versus eukaryote Venn diagram, and a prokaryote versus eukaryote quizzes. So if you go to my homepage, I will have this video uploaded here, and I'll have the current module assignment. And if you scroll down for day 4, you'll see the test, and there's also a review there, so if you need that, go ahead. And then here's day 1's stuff for cell structure. So you have the Edpuzzle. You'll watch the video and answer the questions that go with it. It's only 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 44 seconds, so just be prepared for that. Here's a Venn diagram. You're going to use the image below to complete a Venn diagram comparing prokaryote and eukaryote. So you should watch the video, and then also notice the different organelles that are in a prokaryote and organelles in a eukaryote. Kind of compare and contrast them. You'll need to authorize, I'm not logged into my Google account, but you'll authorize and do the Venn diagram that goes with it. And here is a Venn diagram of what to know between prokaryote eukaryotes. And here's the quizzes. So this will help you just know that you have a test over the cell organelles next week, so make sure you get that done. And you'll just need to be prepared for the cell structure. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or Remind 101 me.